Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your WooCommerce site for better conversions, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your WooCommerce site is fast and responsive. Test your site speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Jeet Metrics. Identify any areas where your site may be lagging. Optimize images to reduce load times. Compress images without sacrificing quality. Consider using a content delivery network, or CDN, to serve your content faster. Next, focus on the user experience by simplifying navigation. Ensure that your product categories are clear and organized. Use a clean and intuitive design that directs users toward purchasing. Make the checkout process as seamless as possible. Minimize the number of steps required to complete a purchase. Offer guest checkout options to reduce barriers to purchasing. Implement effective product descriptions. Use clear, engaging language that highlights benefits. Incorporate high-quality images and videos to showcase your products. Utilize social proof to build trust. Display customer reviews and testimonials prominently on product pages. Consider adding a section for frequently asked questions. Enhance your site's security to reassure customers. Ensure that your SSL certificate is up to date for data protection. Display security badges on the checkout page to increase trust. Utilize abandoned cart recovery strategies. Set up email reminders for customers who leave items in their cart. Offer incentives to encourage them to complete their purchase. Analyze your traffic sources to identify where your customers are coming from. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor user behavior on your site. Tailor your marketing strategies based on this data for better targeted campaigns. Optimize for mobile users by ensuring your site is mobile-friendly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.